Good day, everyone. I am Aiza Maranorias, BSF 1A. So, I will tackle about qualitative characteristics. So, before that, qualitative is the disruptive characteristics which cannot be measured. First one is physiognomy. It refers to overall structure or physical appearance, what the community and its dominant species look like, their height and spacing and shape. So its overall size and the shape of an organism, such as trees, shrubs, and herbs, are frequently used to characterize the general appearance of the vegetation of region. Second is penology, defined as the observation and investigation of seasonal timing of life cycle events and how these are influenced by seasonal variations in climate, as well as other ecological factors. So, in short, it is the study of phenomena or happenings. It is applied to the recording and study of the dates of recurrent natural events, such as the flowering of a plant or the first or last appearance of a migrant bird in relation to seasonal climatic changes. Third is stratification, the development of different species of plant community of a given region takes place through the processes of adaptation, competition, and natural selection. This results in the development of various strata or layers between the soil surface. This vertical layering pattern is called stratification. In the field of ecology, refers to the vertical layering above habitat, the arrangement of vegetation in layers. It classifies the layers of vegetation largely according to different heights which their plants grow. The development layers are occupied by different animal and plant communities, or what we call stratozones. Stratification in forest community. A forest community shows 5 vertical strata. First, subterranean strata, basal portion covered by litter and debris of plants as well as animals. Second is forest floor. Second layer, abundance of litter. This region is the zone of decomposition. Third is stratum of herbaceous vegetation. Third layer is formed by herbaceous plant like grasses, dicotyledonous, annuals, etc. Fourth is stratum of shrubs, located below the crown layer and above the herbaceous layer, represented by shrubby life form. And fifth is stratum of tree, topmost layer, also called crown layer, which represents highest limit of plant community in given region. Fourth is abundance, the estimation of individuals of species. The abundance of a species cannot be easily demonstrated quantitatively because living organisms, especially plants, are not distributed uniformly over the Earth's surface. On the basis of abundance, plants are grouped under 5 heads. They are very rare, rare, common, frequent, very much frequent. So, example of abundance would be having a huge crop of corn for the year. And last is stochastic and social patterns. In ecology, unpredictable events that can affect population and community dynamics are called stochastic processes. Geographic, relating to geography, the study of the earth and its features and of the distribution of life on the earth, including human life and the effects of human activity. Genecology is a branch of ecology which studies genetic variation of species and communities compared to their population distribution in particular environment. Grassland, area in which the vegetation is dominated by a nearly continuous cover of grasses. It occurs in environments conducive to the growth of this plant cover, but not to that of taller plants, particularly trees and shrubs. Greenhouse effect, the trapping of the sun's warmth in a planet's lower atmosphere due to the greater transparency of that atmosphere to visible radiation from the sun than to infrared radiation emitted from the planet's surface. Gross primary production, or GPP, is the rate at which solar energy is captured in sugar molecules during photosynthesis. Energy captured per unit area per unit time. Producers such as plants use some of this energy for metabolism, cellular respiration, and some for growth building tissues. What are the importance of qualitative characteristics in community organization? I hope you have learned from my discussions. That's all. Thank you and God bless.